Daynagirlworld fans, and today I'm going to be making glitter slime. So what you will need is any Elmer's glue, glitter glue. I'm using green. Some borax. And these small styrofoam. I'm going to pour my glitter glue into the bowl. Whoa, it looks like glow in the dark. So funny. I'm going to add some styrofoam balls to the slime. Now I'm going to mix it. This is so glittery. It's a glamour. I just love this. Now add some borax. Mix it. Whoa. It's kind of forming its shape. Not yet, but it's forming it. Let's add a little bit more. Oh, look at it forming its shape. I'm just adding lots of more borax, but look how it's forming. It's not working that well. It's kind of working, but like when you put a finger on it, it's really sticky. See? Look how sticky that is. So guys, I've tried varieties of slimes with borax, but unfortunately this one didn't really work. Look how stiff it is. It's not working. It's kind of sticky. Look, it's so hard. Look. You can't even stretch this slime. Look how hard this is. This one's even harder. It's making a mess. And look at that. It's like covered. So unfortunately it didn't work with borax. I don't know what it did wrong with me. But like other YouTubers out there, borax works with you. So please comment down below what I did wrong or an ingredient I missed, because I want to know what I did wrong so like for the next video I do, it'll work out and I don't make you guys disappointed. So please subscribe to my channel to see more DIY and more videos. Give me a thumbs up even on the videos that like don't work, like one of these. And watch this video over and over again. Thank you for watching. Bye!